welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel and I love to create. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back, guys. So today's video is going to be pretty easy and simple and just like straight to the point. So if you've not seen my last hair tutorial, I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box and the card above. Please be sure to check it out. I got a lot from it, so I'm like, okay, let's do another one. So it's just a simple ninja board, and if you like that, you definitely like this video. So also I had this hair on for my last video, and it was a hangout with my friends at Takwa. I had fun and I enjoyed myself so much. So if you want to know what Takwa looks like and what a hangout on a typical day on Takwa looks like, please be sure to check it out. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box and so in the card above. So let's just get right to today's video. So the first thing I did was to comb out my hair, and I then wet it with my leave-in conditioner. So after that, I tried to part my hair into a side part, which was what I wanted. So if you want a center part, you could also do that. And after parting my hair into a side part, I started adding my hairstyle gel in section. Packed my hair into a loop ponytail, covered it with a scarf for it to just set. Then I started to prepare the crochet hair. The crochet hair I'll be using is the Xpression Luna hair, and it comes like 10. It comes in a pack of 20, but it has like 10 strands packed together each. So I only used 10 strands. So the way this works is just to put one of the crochet head through the crochet loop. It's just like you're doing crochet. Just take one of the crochet head through the crochet loop and put it through the band. It's just very easy. I'm going to show you again. So you take the crochet loop, open it up wide, then push the end of the crochet through the loop over the band, and that's it. So after I did this for all 10 strands, I just put it around my loop ponytail. So there are two ways to this. You can either loosen out the twist before putting it around your ponytail, or you could do it after. I did mine after, but if it would be easier for you to do it before, that would be a good idea too. guys, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe button, it's somewhere down here. Also, do not forget to press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you are aware that I just uploaded one. Also, please do leave comments in the comment section, and if you have questions that you'd like to ask me, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys, peace.